Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by verifying power and function before removing any panels or screws. Use a multimeter set to DC volts to test each switch and motor continuity. Check the fuse box for a blown fuse and confirm the 12V feed reaches the panel. Inspect the outside connector for corrosion and the internal harness for loose pins. Press every button and listen for motor movement or clicking signals. Document which buttons fail and which circuits respond to simplify repair. Remove the control panel carefully using a plastic trim tool to avoid scratches. Locate and remove 3 screws with a Phillips PH2 screwdriver and store them safely. Unplug the wiring harness and gently lift the circuit board from its socket for inspection. Look for cracked traces, burned areas, and loose solder joints under bright light. Clean the board contacts with 90% isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth, ensuring no residue remains. Replace any broken clips or mounting tabs before reassembly. Repair cracked solder joints using a 25W soldering iron and rosin core solder for clean joints. Replace faulty switches or connectors with OEM or equivalent parts to ensure reliable operation. Reattach any broken plastic clips using epoxy or small zip ties when necessary for stability. Bench test the repaired panel using a 12V battery and a jumper harness to confirm all switches operate motors correctly. Reconnect the harness in the vehicle, secure the panel with 3 screws, and verify every window and lock functions before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.